Hello friends, welcome to CareerTricks YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn non-perfect square root numbers. If you are visiting first time to my channel, click on subscribe button. For more notification, click on bell icon. If you want to know more about square root and cube root, already I did two more videos. It will be in the YouTube channel. You go and watch those videos. You will be thorough with the square root and cube root of those numbers. That time easily you can, within few seconds you can solve those problems once you learn the techniques or tricks. First we'll solve the first problem now. Non-perfect square root tricks. In this, what we are doing, we are taking a non-perfect square. This is not a perfect square. Perfect square means what? If you are taking 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Like this, the perfect square number if you take, then easily we can write it as, if it is 25 square means you can write it as 5 answer. But here, square root 30 is there. Okay, if you have square root 25, you can easily write answer is 5. This is a perfect square root number. Square root of 25 is 5. This is a perfect square root number. But when you come to the 30, that is not a perfect square number. We have to solve it. It is very difficult, you think, but it is not difficult. It is so easy. Just in few seconds, we can solve these problems without any pen and paper. How to solve this? I will let you know now. Here, square root of 30 is there. That I can divide into two parts. That is, what is the closest perfect square for 30? Square root of 30. That is, I can say it as 25. 25 plus 5 I will take. That 30 will be split into 25 plus 5. And I return as it is the square root. Okay. Now, after removing the square root, what I have to do next step? Next step, if I remove the square root, the 25 will become 5. The 5 square root of 25 is 5 plus 5. Whatever the number is there here, you multiply by 2, double the number and divide by that number to this 5. That time 5 ones are 5 twos are. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means we can consider as 1 by 2 we can consider as 0.5. Then what is the answer? 5.5 will be the answer for square root of 30. In another way also we can do. Here I taken lesser than this number. If I take more than this number, which is the perfect square will get? That is 36. 36 means how much more is there for 30? That is 6 more is there. I will subtract that 6. After that what I will do? Again I will take the square root of 36, that is 6 minus 6, and this will be double this number, that is 12. I will divide the 12 for this number. That time again I will get half. After subtracting 6 minus half, that time what I will get? 5.5. The same answer I will get. This is the one of the shortcut trick to find the non-perfect square root tricks. Fine. We'll go to the next problem now. I am taking square root of 10. The 10 I am splitting into two parts, that is 9 plus 1. 9 is the closest perfect square of 10. I am taking that 9 and remaining numbers after taking 9. What is the remaining number out of 10? That will be 1 is remain. That I keep here. Then I will take square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 1 and I will double this number 3 into 6, that is 1 by 6. What is the 1 by 6 value? 1 by 6 value is, what is 1 by 6 value? 1 by 6 value is 0.16. If I add these terms, what I will get? 3.16 will be the answer for square root of 10. How I got to know that 1 by 6 is 0.16? Because if I take it as 1 by 3, that is 33.33. If I divide by 2 this term, that time I will get 0.66. Okay, next we will solve another problem, that is square root of 72. I have to check which is the closest perfect square for this 72. That is 64 we can take. I will take it as 64 plus, how many digits I have to add here? 6 plus 2, that is 8. Now I will take the square root of 64, that is 8, plus 8 by, I will double this number and I will write it here, that is 16. 1 by 2 again will get, we can directly write it as 8.5 answer for square root of 72. Next we are solving square root of 91. How to solve this square root of 91? Which is the closest perfect square for this 91? We can take it as 81 plus 10. Then after taking the square root of 81, what will get? 9 plus 10. I will double this number. I will divide that double and divided number for 10. That is 18. This will be divided by 2. 2 5s are 2 9s are 5 by 9 will get. 5 by 9 means 0.55 will get for this number. Will get 0.55. After adding these two terms, what will get? 9.55. Okay, I know some of the tricks to remember all these stuffs. I will let you know in the next video how to solve this, how to get remember, or how to do this 5 by 9, 5 by 2, 8 by 5, all these things, how to do those stuffs. I will let you know in the next video. Next we have number is square root of 628. Which is the nearest perfect square for 628? That is 625 plus 3. If I am taking square root of 625, what I will get? 25 plus 3 by 50. 3 by 50, I can write it as 3 by 50 means I have to add one 0. That time point will come. Another 0 I will add. One more 0 will be there. 51s are 56 are. 0.06 I can take the value for this 5 by, the value for 3 by 50 is 0.06. Then I can write it as 25.06 will be the answer for square root of 628. Next problem is square root of 112 we are solving. In the square root of 112, what we have to do? Square root of 100 I will take plus 12 I will do. That time square root of 100 means what I will get? 10 plus 12 by double this number, 20 will get. That is 2 4 3s are 4 5s are 3 by 5 will get. 3 by 5 we can consider as 0.60. That time 10.60 will be the answer for square root of 112. Next square root of 135 we are solving. That is square root of 135 we can solve, split into two terms. One perfect square root number, that is 121 plus 14. If you do, you'll get 135. After taking the square root out, you'll get 11 plus 14 divided by 22. Here if you divide, that is 2 7s are 2 11s are 7 by 11. 7 by 11 means what we can take? That is, one more trick is there here. 7 9 7s are 63. Then we can take it as 0.63 will be the answer. 11.63 will be the answer for square root of 135. I will let you know about fractions, how to convert to fractions to point digits in next video. Then it will be easy for you. This is a simple thing. If you have any non-perfect square root, then you split it into two parts. Take one part as a perfect square number closer to that number, and another part you divide, but whatever the square number will come, that double and divide it. That simple it is. Within a fraction of a second you can get the answers. If you like this video, please click on like and subscribe button. For more notification, click on bell icon. Thank you.